We're on the marketplace screen, and we can see on this screen we've got this search engine with a bunch of cards here with a lot of numbers and stuff like that. So what exactly does all this mean? Well, this search engine will allow us to search through all of the published courses that other students have created and published here on Unlocked Academy, and each course contains a set of flashcards related to specific content. And so let's just click here. Each one of these courses, you can just click on it and you can see, the title of the course, the course description, the course author, the number of lectures in that class or that course, and the number of questions or the number of flashcards of that content here in this course. You can also see the 4 out of 5 star rating or the star rating, the number of downloads. That's the number of other users here on Unlocked Academy who have made a purchase of this content, and the number of reviews. So that's out of those users who have downloaded it, they can leave a review, and you can actually utilize that information to determine, hey, is this going to be a course for me? Let's keep in mind, if you do end up making a purchase of content, this content is assigned by the author to be $14. So if you pay $14, 50% of that sale is going to go directly to the author, and then the other 50% is going to go to Unlocked Academy to help support the cost of operation. We are a completely free platform, and we intend on being completely free for our students all around the world, but we do have operating costs. Our database costs money, and every time a user engages with a question, that costs a little bit of money for us. And so by making purchases of content here that other users have made, that not only helps other users because they put a lot of time and energy in making really good content, but it also helps support Unlocked Academy directly. Now, let's just use this search engine, and let's try to narrow down some content here. So let's say I've got a friend named Becky Stone, and so let me just type in Becky. And it looks like there is a course here written by Becky Stone, and it's an organic chemistry course from FSU. And instead, well, maybe I just I'm going to be taking organic chemistry next semester. So let's just type in organic. And we can see, as we type in the word itself doesn't even need to be completely done. The search engine narrows down the relevant content. So we can see just with organ, we can see all of these organic chemistry classes, which is pretty nice. It's a good aspect of this Algolia search engine. And we can see all these organic chemistry classes, a couple from WSU, one from MIT, one from FSU. And you can also see the course author wrote down the professor's name as well as the semester or the quarter that they're taking it. So hopefully with all of that information, you should be able to get a good understanding if this course, if these flashcards are going to be a good match for what you're trying to accomplish. If you're going to Washington State University and you're going to be taking this class with this professor, Erica Patton, maybe it makes sense for you to buy last semester's content. And that's exactly what we're trying to provide you here. So you can also do a combination of words. So let's say you're going to Washington State University. Oh, I missed the G. And you're also taking organic chemistry. So you can actually see, hey, Washington, from Washington State University, and organic. That kind of helps narrow it down. So this Algolia search engine really is quick, and it's a very smart search engine. Now, let's say you've already owned a course, so you can't repurchase the content, but you've left a review. So obviously you can click on this user reviews button, and that will show you the reviews that this course has accumulated, and you end up wanting to change your review. I know that this review is one that I left, but let's say I don't think it's 5 out of 5 now. I only think it's 1 out of 5. How can I change that review? Well, we can see there's a 4 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5 star here, and I want to change my review. So let's go to the create page. And let's go into that evolution of medicine course that we were just seeing. And there's my 5-star, and I'm going to turn it to 1-star. And then let's say I want to just say horrible. It's horrible content. And submit. And now we can see that that has updated. So that's my review. And let's go back to the marketplace. And you can see this used to be 4.5 out of 5, and now it's only 2.5. And we can go back to the user reviews, and we can see that that updated nearly instantaneous. So all of the reviews here on the marketplace are up to date. You know, they are live information. They're not, you know, last semester's reviews, unless the user hasn't reviewed that content up until last semester. But overall, that is the marketplace here. That's the Algolia search engine that we can provide you to help narrow down content you are trying to memorize as a student.